Back to today's tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to post on your Twitter. You want to post something, you want to write something. How do you post on your Twitter? Now let's get started. So we need to open our Twitter now, and now it has X. It is now X. So open your X. Is it? So just click on it. And the next thing you need to do, that is it. So what you need to do is click on, you can see, okay, so what you need to do is click on this. When you click on this plus, you can see go live or spaces, photos, or post. I'll just click on post. Once you click on post, so you got it. So now this is what I'm going to say. I'm just going to say hello, happy new week, and okay, have a blessed day ahead. You can see, just click on post when you're ready, and your post is going to post automatically. So how do you want it to do? Is it be seen by people, have direct access to more people? Just click on get it. So now you can see this is my post. Now you can see my post is here automatically. It is there. So guys, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe.